One of the things that I'm really liking about Captivate 13 is the ability to import PowerPoint presentations. If you're a Captivate Classic user, then you know about this feature. And really, at the end of the day, what this feature allows you to do is use Microsoft PowerPoint as the beginnings of your training. And when it comes time to make e-learning out of your training, don't throw it away. Just bring that training into Captivate and add the Captivate type of features that you need, like quizzes and that kind of thing. Now, unlike Captivate Classic, when you import PowerPoint presentations into this new Captivate, the items that you bring in, you can move them around and edit them. There is no dynamic link back to the original presentation. So that's one big difference. The other really nice enhancement in Captivate 13 is that once you bring in your PowerPoint presentation, the slide notes can be converted into text-to-speech. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to bring this PowerPoint presentation into Captivate. You'll notice that there are slide notes in the notes area. I'm going to add an avatar to my Captivate project and then convert this text to speech. And just to show you before I bring this PowerPoint presentation into Captivate, the slides each have images and notes. And specifically beginning on slide number 3, I've used this overlay technique to build from one concept to the next. So you'll see on the next slide, the overlay is a little bit smaller, and then we move on to the next slide. All right, so I'm going to close the PowerPoint presentation. To import my PowerPoint presentation into Captivate, all I've got to do is go to the home screen in Captivate and click Import PowerPoint. Note that if you're using Captivate 12.6, Import PowerPoint wasn't there. So it's a Captivate 13 or newer feature. I'll click Import PowerPoint. I'll find my PowerPoint presentation I just showed you. I'll import. I'll zoom out a bit so you can see this presentation a little bit better. I'll go to slide number 2. And as I mentioned, items from PowerPoint, you can now edit them, unlike the Captivate Classic software. I'll undo that. And I'll go to slide number 1. So I love this. I especially love the way the PowerPoint slides look the same in Captivate as they did in PowerPoint. Really nice. Now, I'm going to add an avatar. I'm going to come over here to Generative AI, click Generate Avatar. I'll pick this young fella. I'll click Apply. Now this avatar is going to get added to all of my slides, and you can, slide by slide, change the avatar. Now, adding the avatar is also going to create text-to-speech, and it's going to create the text-to-speech based on the PowerPoint slide notes. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the avatar that's been added to all of my slides. Now, if I come over here to my visual properties, I can change the avatar. I can also take a look at the narration. So I'm going to click View. And these are my PowerPoint slide notes. They were automatically converted to AI audio, which I just love. Now I'm going to go ahead and play it so you can listen to what was created by default.
This course will help familiarize you with our policies and procedures. You can move from slide to slide.
Now I can edit the audio by clicking this little pencil icon, and I can make changes to my audio, save it, and regenerate. And I'll click Done. Now if I want to change my avatar, I'll click Change Avatar. I could pick a different avatar, but I could also just edit the voice. So let me cancel here, and I'm going to go to slide number 2, and I'm going to change the avatar for this one slide. This time I'll switch to female, edit the voice, and I'll just pick Allison. And I'll click apply. And if I view the narration now and play it,
Super Simplistic Solutions was born in 1992. Since that time, our mission has been to develop superior.
so play around with that and let me know your thoughts on this. I imagine as future versions of Captivate come out, they're going to enhance this significantly, but this is a really cool first step. So in summary, keep in mind that this presentation came in from PowerPoint. I added an avatar. And of course, once I added the avatar, the audio got added automatically. It is worth noting that if I only want audio, I can click audio only over here. And instead of having the avatar, it would just be the audio that my learners hear. So like I said, spend a few minutes playing around with this. Let me know your thoughts. Personally, I love it.